In this video, you will explore how to use the Get Dialog Window Name keyword in Avo Assure to instruct Avo Assure Client to fetch the window name displayed on the dialog box or pop-up window of the SAP application, and save the result in the output variable. Begin by adding the first test step by selecting at SAP from the element name drop-down, and close window from the descriptive keyword drop-down. Add another test step, and select at SAP as the element name, and Get Dialog Window Name as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the output value as GDWN in curly brackets. Now, add one more test step, and select at Generic as the element name, and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the input value as GDWN in curly brackets, the same as the output value in the second test step. Save the designed test steps and debug them. As the designed test steps debug, you will witness the dialog window's name on the SAP application being displayed in the Avo Assure Client window, confirming a successful debug.